Hi everyone, my name is Syuhadah binti Razalie from SKU 4. Today I want to show you how to make egg chicken in tomato gravy. Before I will start, the ingredient is chicken egg 6 units, water 1000 ml, cooking oil 7 tablespoons, tomato 5 units, red chili sauce 7 tablespoons, sweet ketchup 3 tablespoons, garlic 3 units, onion 3 units, red chili 3 units, sugar 1 teaspoon, white pepper 1 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, umami seasoning 1 teaspoon. For the tools, frying pan 1 units, pot 1 unit, spoon 4 units, chopping board 2 units, knife 2 units, frying pan 1 unit.
Hello everyone, my name is Gadaffi from SKU 4. Before I start cooking, I would like to tell you about safety in the kitchen. First, don't run in the kitchen. Second, wear an apron to prevent clothes becoming dirty. Third, wear a hat. And last, don't forget to wash your hands before handling anything. So I would like to show you. Put six eggs into a pot. Turn up the heat and boil the egg until they harden. While we're waiting eggs in about 50 minutes, let's cook the tomato gravy. Pour some cooking oil into the pan. Fry the onion, garlic, and red chili. So now add some chili sauce into a frying pan. Ketchup. And don't forget to add some water. Turn up the heat. Add the tomato and cook until the tomato is soft. Close it for a while. Look for a while and make sure the tomato are soft. So it's not soft yet, so close yet. So now the tomato are soft. So take the salt and add 2 pinches. Umami seasoning 1 pinches. Sugar 2 pinches. And white pepper 1 pinches. So now you look at the gravy, a little bit gravy now, like this. So take the boiled egg and put in the pan. Stir for a while. So when the tomato gravy is ready, turn off the fire and ready to plate. Take the plate and clean it first and add this. And this is the eggs and tomato gravy, and enjoy.